Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Themex. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to customize your theme to your liking. So right now I have the Good Choice theme up. I've just recently installed this and imported our sample content. So now it's functioning and looking like the demo site. And I want to customize it a little bit to make it more suited towards my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my WordPress dashboard just by logging into my website, and I'm going to look for a link on the left hand side. And because I'm using the theme Good Choice, the link down here on the left hand side is going to be called Good Choice, and this is the link to our framework where we can make adjustments to our theme. So just go ahead and click on that, and our framework or customization panel is going to pop up. This is the back end of our website here, where we're going to control everything and make adjustments to make it more personalized. So what we're looking at here is the first page. What you're going to notice here is up at the top there's going to be the theme name and the version number, and a link to the change logs in case you're curious to see if new changes have been made and past changes that have been made to your theme, because we update themes quite frequently, and it's good to know the version number and what changes have been made. Apart from that, we're looking at the General tab right now, and it allows us to control a couple of settings. We can upload a custom favicon right here, which is the little icon that shows when you make a bookmark or at the top of your tab in Firefox. If you have an RSS feed from FeedBurner or any other site, you can just enter that in here. There are areas for us to input header code and footer code, for example Google Analytics or custom CSS or even JavaScript. And then we can go on to customize our search settings. If we have a search form on our website and we want to exclude specific categories from our search or even pages. Moving on, we have another link over here called Default Layouts, and this area of our framework is going to control the layouts and appearance or the structure of our theme. So we can change, for example, with this theme, we can change our sidebar from left to right, or we can choose to have no sidebar at all. We can even change the way our posts appear from being a full width post to a 4-column, 3-column, 2-column, or a large thumbnail. Really, there are tons of options here. It's completely up to you how you want to customize your site. You'll find that there are options to hide the post meta, the post date. You can query specific categories on your index page, all that good stuff. And it goes on to allow you to customize a single post layout and default page layouts, including along with your archives, your categories, your search pages, and so on and so forth. So moving down, we're going to take a look at the theme settings, and this will typically be specific. This tab will adjust depending on the theme you're using. For example, this theme features a slider, so I can enable it and adjust the settings for that slider here. This theme also has a custom welcome message, which it appears right here. So I can just enter my custom welcome message in here, hit the save button, and it'll pop up on my site. And we can adjust the widget layout on our home page and the footer layout, as well as enter custom text for our footer. We look onto the social media tab, and you can notice at the top here there are social media buttons: Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, so on and so forth. Well, we can just enter our social media information in here, or if we don't want a button to appear, we can exclude that button. Save it, and it will adjust accordingly. When we take a look at the styling tab, if I downloaded this theme and I don't quite like the background for it, well, that's okay because I can change it. Changing your background is really easy. I'll go ahead and show you how that's done right now. Let's upload a new background image. I'll just find one here on my computer that I like. How about this blue one here? So uploading this background. As we can see, it's been added to our collection of backgrounds. And we're going to save. Go back to our site. We'll refresh the page. And our background was changed. Just a couple of clicks. And it's that easy to customize. We can change the body font, the font family, font size. Just enter in your custom size here. Link colors. We could upload a custom logo if we wanted to, or just use the site title. And you're left with a whole bunch of options here. It's really that easy. We also have a skins tab. Sometimes your theme will include additional skins, for example, different colors or modifications to the theme. A lot of times we'll often release different skins for a particular theme. For example, the Good Choice theme, it comes in black, orange, and white. We may release a skin for, make it primarily blue, green, and yellow, for example. So that's what the skins tab is for. If there are any skins here, they'll be displayed here, and you can select it, save, and the skin will be applied. And then we have a transfer tab. The transfer tab allows you to export the settings that you've saved on your theme, or import settings for your theme. And then you would just continue to save. If you imported, refresh the page, and your settings will be applied.